Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going back into my 23 Colorado and going over the new Prinsu Pro roof rack. So if you guys follow the channel, in my previous video on the Colorado, I actually ended up selling my RCI bed rack, rooftop tent, roto packs, traction boards, LED light bars, all of that was on the back of the truck, the trifold, tonneau cover. I ended up getting rid of all of that because I needed more usable space. I should have purchased this in the beginning, decided to go a little bit more affordable route, and now I'm ending up spending more money in order to go the route that I should have went in the beginning, but that's okay. We're here now. I'm super happy with the RSI bed cap. I think it's a great addition. I have much more usable space. It's just gonna work out for me a lot better in both camping and work needs because I do use this truck 4 to 5 days out of the week for work. And I think it's a great change that I've made. But my Prinsu Pro roof rack has arrived and has been assembled. It is ready for install, so we're going to be going over to the shop and getting it installed from off-grid upfitters. I've been speaking with Dave for a little while now. Absolutely fantastic. If you guys are in the Indy area, he's got a fantastic shop, fantastic guy to work with. So if you guys ever need anything done and you're in the area, definitely hit up off-grid upfitters. They are absolutely fantastic. We're going to get that installed, see if any of my other stuff may have possibly came in. I ordered a couple miscellaneous items. If they're not, don't worry, there will be another video on that. And then we're going to be going over some of the custom little changes I'm going to be making or doing in order to make the new smart cap and roof rack work best for my needs in both camping and work related needs. So if you guys enjoy, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my absolute best to answer it for you guys. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Let's go ahead and get into this. Just pretend like this other stuff isn't up here right now. I forgot to close out this video before starting the other videos, but it took about 6 hours total to get it installed, and it's because these front two that go through right here take the longest because you're going through some pretty thick sheets of metal that are like welded together. Other than that, the two here in the middle and the two here on the back go by pretty quickly. I think they got through in like, I don't know, maybe 5 minutes. And then we made sure to put the sealer down, or the silicone, and the washers and spacers that are required to sit underneath the bracket. And then the other thing that's nice is by loosening these here, you can actually adjust the height. And I basically have mine as low as it'll go. I just want it tucked as much as possible. Definitely a lot of rails to mount on with all the T-tracks and whatnot. The other thing that's nice is not only do you have dropping points here on each side, but you also have them in the middle. And the reason these are sitting here is because my new rooftop tent that I'll be doing a video on here soon will come to about right here, I believe, or right to this bar, somewhere around in there. And I'm going to use either this bar or this bar to put basically a stand on with basically a cushion on top in order to support the front end of the tent when it's up here, because it's 82 inches long. So if I keep the back of the tent roughly at the back of the truck, because I don't like a lot of overhang, then the tent will come to approximately right here, and that'll be the support to it. So I'll probably end up doing some sort of support up from the Prinsu Pro roof rack but I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. The only thing that I might change in the future is to remove the inner panel, because there are 2 panels here now that make it a lot stronger. But you can actually order this in different color options, and I wanted to do white and black, but they had it set up to where I believe the outside panel was white and the inside one was black, and I just thought that was too much white and I didn't know if it was gonna match. But I think I might take off the inner skin and actually vinyl wrap it white. As you can see, the track over there is actually what holds the inner skin on. So it shouldn't be a problem. And I may or may not do it. I'm not super worried about it. I thought it would just kind of give it a nice little accent. But I'm extremely happy with how it turned out. Nice and centered, nice and low on the roof. I think it looks really good. So once I get my tent up there, we'll be about done with all the changes that I had planned for it. So I do have a video coming soon after this one on the install of the Max Tracks with the Prinsu Pro mount and locks, and the solar shower tank that I decided to go with over some of the other options that you commonly see. I just really like the design of this. It's made in the USA, but stay tuned, I'll have a video for that one. That is the install and look of the Prinsu Pro on the new 3rd gen Colorado. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.